Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another wig from Xrsbeauty, one of my favorites. This is a Barbiana. It is the clear lace, their famous clear lace. You guys already know I love their clear lace. This is what the wig looks like. We have a short number today. Switch up a bit. We are working with their infamous, gorgeous, beautiful, already bleached, already plucked, clear lace wig. The hairline, it just always gives, never disappoints. I haven't done anything to this wig, as you can see, straight from the box, so it's given stiff, but we're gonna style it up and make sure it looks presentable. So let's get started. So to start, of course, we are using the face halo to clean off any excess makeup that we have around the hairline. This is just going to help the lace stick onto your skin a lot better. It's going to make the process a lot easier, and it's going to make it a lot cleaner as well. So I'll definitely advise taking off any makeup around your hairline before applying your wig. So I'm going to grab the wig and I'm going to cut the ear tabs off. So the reason I do this is so it aligns with the shape of my head, essentially. I want it to basically fit my head perfectly. So we're just going to cut off the excess lace on each ear. Very simple, very quick, literally just doing it from a diagonal kind of positioning and just getting your scissors from a diagonal point and just cutting away that excess lace. Once that's done, I'm going to take away any excess hair at the front of the wig, just again to align with my hairline. The excess hair basically just kind of falls too forward on my forehead, so we don't need that. We're going to cut it off at the end, but I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections so it's easier for me to work with. I'm going to clip that away and I'm going to grab my bed head spray. This is just an adhesive, it's not a glue, it's just a spray that's literally very simple to apply. You spray it on and then you blow dry it and it literally sticks on, and it's really, really good. And what's good about it as well is that when it comes to the end of the day, you want to take your wig off, you don't have to sleep with your wig. All you have to do is just apply a bit of water and the wig is coming straight off. So yeah, I prefer using sprays as opposed to glues and stuff like that because I just find it really hard to take off, and I hate sleeping with wigs on my head, so I'll rather just stick with a simple spray that I can take off at the end of the night. So yeah, gonna apply my spray all over my wig. Then I'm gonna cut off the excess lace. You guys saw earlier that I parted that bit at the front. I just cut that off as well because we don't need that. I'm just gonna basically just neaten it up, make it look nice. The clear lace definitely helps with the application. It's very easy, literally sinks in right into my skin and looks very close to scalp. I was kind of in a rush with this application, so it might not be the neatest, but I do go ahead and clean it up at the end. So yeah. Okay, so now that excess lace has been cut off, this is what we're looking like. As I said, it's not the neatest right now, but I do go ahead and clean it up at the end. But I'm just kind of showing you what your wig kind of should look like for the next step. So for the next step, I'm taking my Black Up foundation stick, and I'm just basically using this as a just to help blend better with my skin. You guys saw that the lace had like kind of like white residue, so we're kind of just getting rid of that white residue and just making it look a little bit more realistic. So after that's done, I'm just going to clean up any mess that we've made, stick down any lace that's sticking up and make it look really nice and cute. Now I'm taking my Dyson Air Styler. Is it Air Styler? Oh, I can't remember what it's called. But my Dyson blow dryer, and I'm just kind of using this to flatten down the wig a bit because, as I said at the beginning, I literally just got the wig straight from the box. I didn't like prep it or anything, so it's a little bit stiff in some areas. So I'm just going to use the blow dryer just to flatten it down a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with my Dyson straighteners and just straighten the hair to style. Stick down any bits that are sticking up and just make it look presentable and neat. Doesn't have to be too neat, but just make it, flat. Give myself the Barbiana look, make it look cute. And I like this bob because it's kind of like a long bob. It's not like super short and it's not super long, but I just like the length that it falls on. I feel like it frames my face really well and it suits personally, I think bobs suit me a lot, especially dark hair. Dark bobs, I think, are my like go-to hairstyle. So yeah, this is right up my street. I'm just gonna continue styling, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at the end. Okay guys, after doing some styling, this is what the hair looks like. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. Like, the hair is beautiful. The lace, of course, as usual, is lacing. Just thought to do like a little simple number. Nothing too crazy, just, you know, very simple. Tell me what you guys think down below. I would turn around, but I know the back is not saying much because I didn't style the back. No one's seeing it, so, but yeah, this is what the back looks like. I don't know what it looks like. I know it's a hot mess back there. I absolutely love this hair. It's gorgeous. It's giving what it's supposed to give. The clear lace is clear lacing. Loving this install. Loving it a lot. So guys, that's pretty much it for this installation video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, all the information about this wig will be down below in the description box, so make sure you click that show more button if you're interested in buying this wig. And I have some pics on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's ropo.demure. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in another one. Bye guys.